finally at $1,000 today. Here's how I'd attack the market going into Tuesday, March 3rd, 2026. First play I'm looking at is Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, which is KTOS. And right now in the overnight market, sitting at $90.61. Now, this is a defense stock. So they actually do military drone adaptation and autonomous drone technology. So we should see a lot of volume coming into this stock based on what's going on around the world, as you already know with the Iran war. So right now we're looking at this $90 and $90.06 resistance support line. It's sitting right here. So we're using this as our entry point. If it dips below this and then sell off, we'll wait till it pumps above this pretty strong before we enter. So this is a timed play. So if it does go pump through real quick, we'll enter. And once it confirms and we feel strong that it'll keep moving up. I'm expecting this to go up over time, and I'm actually going to play this long to let it materialize. As you can see right here, it's at the bottom of this trend line. So we're expecting it to swing up to at least the middle of this trend line, and that's what I'm playing. So I'm expecting it to go up through this 94.34, this 99.82, the 106.10, and my target price and the goal at the end of the contract is a 111.24. So that's what I'm expecting from this. So that's why I'm looking at the call at a 120 call with the 5/15 expiration date. That's May 15th, and a 580 premium. I want to give this time to materialize. And based on what's going on in the world, I think we should see the volume pump that it should get to that level. Now, the second play we're looking at is gold. When we're looking at the GLD ticker. So that's what we're going to be playing. Right now in the overnight market, we're seeing it hit around the 491.16. It could have fluctuated by now. So on the chart, we're looking at this 489.76 as our play for entry and just trying to wait for it to materialize through there. Now, if we see a sell-off and it falls below this, we hope that this 487.33 support line let it hold. And once it pushes back through, we can see it flow all the way up through this 492.01, this 495.76. And I think by the time that our contract could end, it could sit all the way up to this 501.97. So it could touch 500 in the next week. I think so. That's what I'm banking on. So what I'm looking at is a 510 call. 3/11 expiration date, that's next Wednesday, and a 415 premium. The 580 on the last play plus this 415 gets us 995 at a total price. So that's right underneath our $1,000 cap, and we'll make two strong plays based on what's going on in the world. Now, last week we did the gold call, and it did fabulous. It did exactly what we wanted, and I think this call will do the same, but we need more time for this one to materialize, and that's why I gave us more time. Let's go quickly to my question, guys. I always have a question. Now, this one I think is a little bit more fun. What's your favorite song? Now, I'm gonna pick my song. It's "Where I Want to Be" by Dino Jones. I'm an R&B guy, so whatever, guys. Look for your levels, guys. Wait for the entry part. Be patient, and let's make some money. See you guys tomorrow, and happy trading.